Hey guys, this is my bike. Verde Cartel Eagle frame, 20.75. I got a redneck S&M stem light, Sunday bars, ODI grips,
Green smoke.
Sunday race, classic race forks.
Oh damn, you made that.
BFR, my old wheel, new animal tire, FBM headset. I broke it already once. I got a shadow tour with cranks, shadow screen sprocket. I think Odyssey barn brackets, animal pedals, shadow seat with animal wedge post. Yeah, I love boobies. KMC chain.
That's what she said.
New back wheel. Prima Pro hub. 90s.
Hey dude.
I got a Odyssey rim. Odyssey ply tire. That's my bike. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Yeah. Bye everyone.